Alright y'all, you already know this the most wealthiest and most iconic channel ever. And on this channel we talk about fashion, mental health, and lifestyle, you feel me? I mean, we are halfway to 1,000 subscribers. So let's go ahead and keep the ball rolling. Now we are heading to the fall time. So you already know what that means. Fall time equals layering. That means you popping out and styling. So I'm finna give you guys some trends that will be surfacing and coming around for the fall time. Let's go ahead and get straight into that. First trend of the fall, and that will be business core. Now I have been seeing a lot of business core going on, but for this fall time, this will be perfect. Now business core is just a high-end fashion style of the TV show Succession. These items will have suits, blazers, trousers, button-down pencil skirts, loafers, and also platform shoes as well. Now the brands that will endorse this look will be Dior, Valentino, Gucci, Marc Jacobs, and Tide. Now for the next trend that will be coming up, we do have belts and buckles. Now belts and buckles is more of a statement piece, but it will also give your outfit and your style more of an edge and a hardcore look to it, especially because we have Rick Owens and we also have Chrome Hearts as well. And for some of the brands that will endorse this look, like I said, you do have Chrome Heart, you do have Rick Owens. Up next, we do have one of my favorite trends, and this is not a trend, this is a lifestyle. We have leather sets. I love me a good leather set. I'm not gonna hold you, family. Now leather sets is definitely good for the fall time that brings out textures and different colors, and you can always mix and match a good leather set. The colors will be a classic black, red, cream, gray, or if you just want to give it a little spice, some dark green. And some of the brands that will definitely be endorsing this will be Diesel, Brandon Maxwell, Prada. Alright guys, so let's talk about the colors for the fall time. One of the colors that will be definitely trending in the fall time will be red. Now this goes for every type of shade of red. Now red is definitely a color statement, and it will also make your outfit look more bolder and also more vibrant as well. Now the brands that will endorse this will be Gucci, Valentino, Prada, Diesel, and also Dior as well. Now up next, going with the colors, you do have neutral layers. Now neutral layers is definitely one of my things that I go to be more in my comfort zone, and it's also just one of my uniforms when I do want to just step out in the fall time. Now natural layering is good for colors with different shades, and it gives more of quiet luxury. For this you will need black, brown, cream, gray, dark green, or even chocolate, just to enhance the colors with the shades, you feel me? Now the brands that will endorse this will most likely be Gucci, Louis Vuitton, Diesel, and also Entire Studios as well. Alright, now one of the big things when it comes to trend, especially in the fall time, well, I say this about anything, is getting key buys, you feel me? Now key buys is definitely a staple piece or a ready to wear piece that will definitely enhance your outfit and your closet as well. Rather it be on the go, or rather it be one of those wear pieces, everybody needs a key buy. Now some of the items that are a key buy will be a skirt, mohair sweaters, hats, or also big chunky shoes or good pleated trousers, you feel me? One of the brands that will definitely endorse this is Loewe, Craig Green, I want to say Mainline, and also Margiela as well. Alright, now speaking of key buys, man, another thing that is definitely coming back in trend, and I definitely see this in the fall time, is back to the basics, or basics, you understand me, shorty? Now everybody don't like to get up and get dressed and do what they do, so they just throw on a basic tee or a basic blue jeans and just go about their day. Now this is definitely will be more wearable, and it can also be an everyday uniform just so you can throw on and go about your day. Now this will consist of oversized blazers, basic blue jeans, basic button downs, and also black shades, and with a little bit of wrist wears too as well. The brands that will definitely be endorsing this will be Gucci, Bottega, Dero, Dior, Prada, and also Givenchy as well. Now last but not least, this will be the big coat, you feel me? Now you need a good ass coat for the fall time, because you know once fall hit, winter gonna hit, you dig what I'm saying? So you just need a good structured coat, and you do have a variety of big coats that you can definitely wear in style. Now for the styles for the big coats, you have leather, trench, perfect coats, corporate coats, and also just a good around flow coat as well. And the brands that will be endorsing this style will be Ferragamo, Gabriella Host, and Earl. Alright you guys, so that is it for the fall time for the trends. You dig what I'm saying? Now again, you guys do not have to follow these trends, but it's also good just to stay in the loop about what's going on in the fashion world, and you can also definitely upgrade your closet and enhance your style too as well. You feel me, shorty? So that is it for this video on gang. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much, my wealthy family, man. We almost close to 1,000. We halfway there. So let's keep this ball rolling on, bro. I'ma see y'all next Friday, man.